What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you a review of the Air Jordan 3 Retro in this Cardinal Red colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find from Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. To me, they really are very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is the latest Air Jordan 3 Retro to drop. These released on February 19th for $190 US, and here in Canada, the price was a bit inconsistent. Some stores were selling them for $245, whereas other stores were selling them for 260 Canadian dollars. Either way though, the official colorway for this shoe is white, cardinal red, light curry, and cement gray, and this is a brand new colorway on the Air Jordan 3. First off, here's a quick look at the box. And like many of your past Jordan 3 releases, the color of the box mimics the color of the shoe. So on the right side, it's done in this cardinal red colored finish, which is a very deep colored red. We have this white colored Jumpman on top, and the entire left side of the box is done in this elephant print finish. Diving straight into the details, the majority of the upper, this is constructed using a very tumbled white colored leather. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have the iconic elephant print, and I want to point out the thinness of the cut of the elephant print, which is closer to the OGs than a lot of past Jordan 3 releases. Underneath this, we have another overlay of this smooth white leather, which runs down the length of the shoe, and then the bottom two eyelets is constructed out of a light curry circular TPU finish, and then the middle three is done in this cardinal red colored TPU, and it follows a similar style of the True Blue 3, where this area is covered in more elephant print. And then the top two eyelets is again constructed out of this TPU finish in cardinal red. Moving downwards, the majority of the upper is covered in more of that tumbled white leather, and then surrounding the top portion of the ankle collar area, we have this perforated leather, which has a smooth feel to it. Surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have more of that elephant print, and then on the back we have this white colored heel tab, and we have Jumpman Air branding done in this cardinal red color. For the laces, so these only come with one pair of laces, and they are standard flat style lace in white. Underneath this, the bottom half of the tongue is done in this perforated smooth leather, and then the top of the tongue is left unperforated, and embroidered in the center, we have this light curry colored Jumpman logo. So the back of the tongue and the inner liner of the shoe, unlike your traditional Jordan 3, the finish here has much more of a smooth satin-like feel to it. This is also done in this cardinal red color, which matches the color of the insole. So the insole in this case is not a polyurethane insole, it's just your standard foam padded insole. And we have the Jumpman logo stamped on the heel in white. So the upper of the Jordan 3 sits atop this full-length polyurethane foam midsole. The midsole is painted in cardinal red on the top and white on the bottom. Underneath the heel, we have this cutout, which reveals the air sole unit that's found within the midsole to give you cushioning. And if you look on the medial side, unlike the standard Jordan 3, where the color portion on the top normally cuts off midway, in this case, the entire upper of the midsole is painted in red. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your standard Jordan 3 outsole. So the outsole here is constructed out of rubber in a combination of gray, white, and red. We have the circular pivot point on the forefoot and Jordan branding running down the middle. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these cardinal red Jordan 3s. And in terms of sizing, this pair fits me true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me fine even for my slightly wider feet. So I feel like whatever size you've been wearing for Jordan 3s in the past couple years, stick with that same size for this pair. Moving on to the comfort, so the Jordan 3, in my opinion, I know a lot of people disagree with me, but I feel that the Jordan 3 is one of the more comfortable Jordan Retros out there. I don't know what it is, I know there's not too much from a technology standpoint, but I've always enjoyed the comfort of Jordan 3s underfoot, and it's a shoe I feel feels more comfortable the more you wear them and the more you break them in. So for example, my black cement 3s, those are pretty much my winter beaters, and I've worn them so much that they've really broken in and they've kind of formed to my feet. So this is just my opinion, but I feel it gives me a good balance of support and cushioning, and it's definitely a pair I can wear every day without any problems. Last but not least, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, the quality of the materials, I thought it was pretty much average. Although this leather has a very tumbled feel to it, it didn't really feel particularly premium, but with that said, I wouldn't say it was bad either. It's just your typical run-of-the-mill quality from Jordan brand, which isn't a good thing or a bad thing. And in terms of the craftsmanship, so I've seen a lot of people online show off their pairs which are terribly done. Everything ranging from a terrible paint job to very disgusting glue stains all throughout. It seems like generally speaking, the craftsmanship and quality control on this pair was pretty poor. However, maybe I got lucky. I thought my pair was pretty decent. There were some extra threads I had to trim off myself, some minimal glue stains throughout the midsole area, but all in all, my particular pair wasn't that bad. So if you guys are picking this up on the secondary market, cross your fingers, hopefully you guys get a decent pair because I've seen some pretty terrible ones out there. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these Cardinal 3s on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. All in all, for a brand new colorway of the Air Jordan 3, I'm not mad at this pair at all. I wouldn't say that it's near the top of my list, it's definitely not one of my favorites, but I'd say that generally speaking, it is above average. But with the OG Nike Air branding Fire Red 3s coming out later this year, I don't know how much wear this is going to get over those. So while this is a shoe that I would like to keep in my collection, as of right now, I'm still kind of on the fence. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Cardinal Red Air Jordan 3. For those watching, were you guys able to cop these? And if you cop these, is this one for the collection, one to wear, or is it something you're gonna trade or flip down the road? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.